English Daily Practice. 77 conversational phrases for real-life situations. Listen and repeat after me. Ready? Let's start.
Hi, how are you doing today? I hope you are well. Can you please tell me the time? It is now important. I am really happy to see you after a long time. Could you help me with this task? I need assistance. I am sorry for being late. Traffic was really bad. Thank you so much for your help earlier today. What do you usually do on weekends with your friends? I would like to order a coffee with milk and sugar. Excuse me, can you show me the nearest bus station? It is really nice to meet you. How is your day? I am trying to improve my English by practicing every day. Could you recommend a good restaurant around this neighborhood? I cannot decide what to eat for dinner tonight. Would you like to go for a walk this evening? I really enjoyed the movie we watched last night together. Can you explain that part again? I did not understand. I think it is going to rain later this afternoon. Please let me know if you need any further assistance. I have been learning English for a few months now. Could you tell me how much this item costs here? I am planning to visit London next summer with my friends. It is so nice outside today. Let us go for a walk. Can you please pass me the salt and pepper? Thanks. I really like listening to music while I work daily. Excuse me, do you know where the nearest pharmacy is? Would you mind helping me carry these bags upstairs today? I think you did a really great job on that task. I am feeling a bit tired today. Maybe I need rest. Could you please speak a little slower so I understand? I usually wake up early and have breakfast at 7 o'clock. What kind of music do you enjoy listening to most often? Can you tell me where I can buy fresh vegetables nearby? I always try to read books before going to bed. Would you like some tea or coffee with your breakfast today? I need to go to the supermarket to buy some groceries.
If you like this lesson, tap like, hit subscribe, and tell me what you think in the comments.
I usually go for a run in the park every morning. Can you help me find a good book to read today? I really enjoy cooking dinner for my family every evening. Excuse me, can you tell me the way to the station? I am learning English to communicate better with my friends. Could you tell me what time the next bus will arrive? I always drink a cup of coffee in the morning. Would you like to join us for dinner at my place? I am very excited about the trip we are planning together. Can you explain how to use this machine step by step? I think this restaurant serves the best food in town. Please let me know if you will be late for dinner. I usually take a short walk after lunch every day. Can you recommend a good movie to watch tonight together? I am planning to meet my friends at the park tomorrow. Would you mind closing the window? It is a bit cold. I enjoy reading the news online every morning before work. Can you tell me where I can find a good bakery nearby? I am feeling hungry. Let's go out and get some food. Excuse me, I think you dropped your wallet on the floor. I always try to learn something new every single day. Could you please show me how to get to the library? I really like spending time outdoors when the weather is nice. Would you like to go shopping with me this afternoon? I am trying to eat healthy and exercise regularly every week. Can you help me set up my new phone properly today? I think it is important to listen carefully during conversations. Please let me know if you have any questions or concerns. I usually take a shower and have breakfast before work. Could you tell me where the nearest supermarket is located? I enjoy spending time with my family during the weekends. Excuse me, can you tell me the best route to downtown? I am very grateful for all the support you have given. Can you explain why this problem is difficult to solve? I usually go to bed early to wake up feeling refreshed. Could you please remind me about the meeting we planned tomorrow? I really appreciate your patience while I try to understand this. Would you like to sit here with me and talk for a while? Can you help me choose a gift for my friend today? I think we should leave earlier to avoid heavy traffic tonight. Please tell me if you need help preparing for the presentation. I enjoy having long conversations with people who inspire positive thinking.
If you like this lesson, tap like, hit subscribe, and tell me what you think in the comments.